So NVDA is one of the hottest stocks of this year, and I'm going to show you how to get 100 shares of NVDA at a discount and get paid a little under $600 for doing it. Rule 1 is to have around 100 shares worth of cash in your account so you'd be actually able to buy 100 shares if you needed to. And next, you have to press this options tab in Fidelity to get to the option chain. And then I would go to put, I would go around 30 days out, and then I would probably choose 126 and get paid $595 for putting out this option play. And if by August 16th, the stock price does not go below $126, then I would not have to buy 100 shares. I automatically always keep the $595 that was given to me. But if it does go below $126, then I would have to buy 100 shares at $126. I will still keep the $595, but now I could also make money on the covered call side. If you wanted to learn how to make consistent income in the stock market doing the exact strategy, I have a course in my bio.